Hello, welcome to Student Success 101 series. My name is Michael, and today we're going to be talking about the forgetting curve. You have a lot to remember in college, lots of studying to do. Understanding the forgetting curve is one of your keys to be successful here. Okay, transits, right, is a family memory failure type that basically means that over time we forget things, right? So, transits, you might, right now, we know exactly what I'm talking about, right? That's a memory failure that occurs over time, right? So you know exactly what I'm talking about because you just learned this information. But 6 days from now, you're going to have trouble recalling this. Now, if you review this information tomorrow, 6 days from now, you're going to have a better chance of recalling it. Review it you have it to review it again, right? You have a much better chance. And if you review it 3 times, right? You learned it once and you reviewed it 3 times, you can recall this information about 90% of the time. And that's the forgetting curve. So remember, one of the keys to not forgetting is to review the information over a period of time. Look for more videos on study skills and reach out to your supports here. Because remember, at LCCC, we will care about your success. All the best.